What was the first robot to have emotions? The question about the first robot with emotions is complex because, to be clear, a robot does not feel human emotions. However, there are pioneer examples in both fiction and real-world robotics that were designed to express or simulate emotions. In the world of fiction, a very famous candidate is Data, the android from the series Star Trek: The Next Generation. His story throughout the series focused on his quest to experience and show emotions, something he finally achieved with the addition of an emotion chip. Data is an icon because his journey made us reflect on what it means to be human. In real-world robotics, one of the first and most influential robots designed specifically for emotional interaction was Kismet, created at MIT in the late 1990s. Kismet was not a full robot, but a bust capable of responding to visual and auditory stimuli. Its most distinctive feature was its face, capable of expressing a wide range of emotions like joy, sadness, or anger through its eyes and eyebrows. Although Kismet didn't feel these emotions, its ability to express them in such a convincing way made it a milestone in social robotics. Today, robots like Sophia have taken this capability further, but it was Kismet that laid the groundwork for understanding how robots can communicate and respond to human emotions, which is essential for a more natural interaction between humans and machines.